I know you all adore a delightful, southern, sweet, and refreshing dish. So today we're whipping up some old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. You know, the kind they made back in the 70s when all of us cousins were playing in Granny's front yard. Or you may have found us at Bible school and the adults would have 3 to 4 churns going on the counter. Oh, those sweet summer days. Hello friends, this is Rhonda and welcome to the Ole Tobacco Patch. Today I'm going to take you back to a much simpler time and I'm going to share a delicious soft serve vanilla ice cream, perfect for those hot southern summer days. But first, look at this kitchen counter. Shar and I had made a grocery pickup and we've got to do something about this before we can get started on any other project. Homemade ice cream can be a bit intimidating for some, especially when using an ice cream churn. I remember my family using the old hand crank style churn. We'd fill our vat with ice cream mixture and then we'd fill it with ice and then rock salt. We'd cover the top with a towel. Then the smallest child would sit on top of the churn while a little bit older kid just turned and turned that crank. Now this took quite a while. It took several kids and adults. However, the end result was always worth it. Over time, we transitioned to electric-powered churns, which eliminated the need for manual cranking. And today I use an electric churn that doesn't require any manual turning, any ice, or any salt. But here's a thought. If you have children who have extra energy and they need something to do, consider getting one of those hand crank style ice cream churns. Wink, wink. Now before we get started on the ice cream, Shar and I knew that we needed a meal for this evening. So we put a chuck roast with carrots, mushrooms, onions, peppers, and miscellaneous seasonings. We put it in the crock pot and we let it cook all day long. Let me show you how easy it is to make this old-fashioned ice cream recipe. And as you can see, it's fun to make this recipe with kids. Start out with 3 egg yolks in a bowl, and to that add 1 can of evaporated milk. To that mixture, I'm going to add 1 quart of cold milk. And in goes 1 cup of granulated sugar.
It smells so good, but can you...
1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Hang on. Let me put it up to the camera. Smell it. Mix time. Stuff with flour, but do not put flour in a bowl and just turn it on immediately because it will go poop. And also, did you see how fast the mixer mixed it together? It went from like right there to right here. Isn't that crazy?
Now pull your frozen ice cream tub out of the freezer and place it in your ice cream churn.
Freezer, and now we're going to fill it up with ice cream powder, I guess.
I don't know if y'all can hear Charlotte's instructions in the background, but she is having a big time making this ice cream. And then this goes in.
You can't really see it, so I'm kind of holding it up.
And then this goes on.
Whoa! That's packed full! Where's my stool? 30 minutes later. Tastes like saucer ice cream. was hard. This is still cold. Oh,
This is plain vanilla ice cream like was made when I was a kid. We'd be outside playing and the adults would make it. Tell me what you think, because I know you've never had this before. You like it?
it's super good. It's like
It's just plain vanilla.
it's creamy. I mean, it doesn't really need toppings.
It really don't, doesn't it? Does it? But we're going to put a few on there.
Yeah, just to make it pretty for the video.
Now, if you enjoy soft serve style ice cream, then this is a recipe to try. Let me know in the comments section how you made ice cream growing up, or how your family made it growing up. Did you notice the eggs are not even cooked? Did anybody catch that? I want to thank you for watching and supporting the Ole Tobacco Patch, where we bring Southern comfort to your kitchen one recipe at a time. I'll talk to y'all later.